Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an affidavit for domicile. This crucial legal document formally declares a person's primary residence, often after their passing. It's frequently used in estate settlement and probate proceedings to confirm where someone legally lived, which can impact jurisdiction and asset distribution. Understanding its purpose is the first step in ensuring a smooth legal process for beneficiaries and executors alike. To begin, gather all necessary information. You'll need the full legal names and addresses of both the affiant and the deceased, along with the deceased's last known residential address. Essential supporting documents include a certified death certificate, utility bills, and a driver's license or state identification for proof of residency. Accuracy is paramount, so double-check every detail to avoid delays in the legal process. Next, draft the affidavit. It should clearly state the affiant's relationship to the deceased and affirm the deceased's last legal domicile. Include specific facts supporting this claim, such as the duration of residency. The document typically has a title, a sworn statement, and a signature block. Remember, clear and concise language is key to ensuring the affidavit is easily understood and legally sound. Finally, the affidavit must be notarized. You, as the affiant, will sign the document in the presence of a notary public, who will then affix their official seal and signature. This step legally validates your sworn statement. After notarization, file the original affidavit with the appropriate court or institution, such as the probate court. Always keep at least 2 certified copies for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.